Alright, this song is called Little Birds.
You can't stop crying, it's alright. You can't stop it now. Talking of the days and nights that you wasted. You still wake up in a heartless wasteland. It's fine, I will be alright somehow. They say he's running out of time. They say his ticket ain't worth a thing in this line. You ask him, why don't you ask him, why don't you? Talking those days and nights that you wasted, you still wake up in that heartless wasteland. It's fine, it does not bother me. But falling from the clouds to the coldest ground, and you're picking up those devils and they don't come down. There's so much more to see. They say he's running out of time. They say his ticket ain't worth a thing in this line. Oh, yeah, they say a lot of things. So why don't you ask him? Why don't you ask him? Why don't you? All these buildings down, with all the noise you make, and still you keep going, going, until you finally get some tears. You call it advice. How is it advice? If it never meets his ears, why don't you just ask him? Hey, why don't you just ask him? Why don't you let little birds, they will talk all day, spitting out words with nothing new to say. If you wanna know why he did what he did, darling, just ask him. Just ask him. Why don't you